Here we have a 2013 Carerra S. This has the factory body unit on headlights. But what happens over time is, especially if the vehicle is outside or in the harsh sun in climates like Arizona or Florida, what happens is these lenses start to craze up over time. The plastic's actually breaking down. Super common with any kind of plastic that's left out. However, these lenses, since most of it faces the sun, it does get beaten up pretty quickly. Looks like somebody's tried to polish it up. You can tell it's sort of been flattened down and leveled a little bit, but they are quite worn. So we're going to be opening these up, obviously removing them from the vehicle. These just pop out on the 991.1 and taking them apart. We have some fresh lenses. Wow, this one's actually cracked. Could be from pressure or just weakening up. And we got new lenses for it. We'll take out the Permaseal, replace it with some butyl, and get this looking fresh again. And I believe we're going to be painting the interior as well. So we'll show you how that looks. But this should look great with some darker housings up front. It'll go with the theme of the car, and we'll keep you posted. All right, the lenses have been removed. The housings have been also removed. So you can see the whole internals of the 991 non-AFS headlight. So this projector does not move with the steering wheel. We'll be upgrading the bulbs on this one and painting the housings a mixture of gloss and semi-flat black for a nice contrast. So check back in a little bit and we'll show you what's going on. All right, so the painted housings are back installed. Got the gloss black shrouds. That lower reflector is the high beams. And on the factory setup, you have that clear diffuser right underneath the main area, which is really nice. But this is a nice mixture of different finishes. You got the gloss black shrouds. It's almost a wrinkled finish right underneath. Semi-flat black housings. And this will look really sharp once it's on the car. We're about to install some sealant on these back housings and get ready to install the new lenses. So update you shortly. All right, the assemblies with the new lenses are back on the car now. The fitment was great. No issues with that. It's got that dark gray border, just like the stock lenses do. All in all, everything worked out. What an improvement. I mean, not only do the lenses look great now, the black housings, the black internals really give it a whole new aggressive look, especially with this white. It's got the black roof, black accents like the wheels, and it looks really aggressive. Really, really solid. If you guys have any questions, email us. It's info@lightwerkz.net. You can give us a call, follow the channel, subscribe. There's gonna be a link above to get this lens replacement service done on your 991 Porsche. And we look forward to serving you. Leave a comment below, let us know what you think. Thanks.